In my last video, I shared with you my YETI bottles, my Ramblers, and my drinkware bottles, and showed you and told you everything about them that I loved and didn't love. But this video, I wanted to share with you my absolute favorite YETI product, and that is this bag. So this is the 35-liter tote bag, and I absolutely love it. I think that it has been such a great addition to my bag collection, and so I wanted to share it with you. So my favorite part about this and what makes this bag so unique is that it is made of like this material that is easily wipeable and washable, and it is waterproof. So you can actually fill this bag up with liquid and carry it at your campsite or anywhere else that you need like a bucket of water, or transport any sort of water. You can fill this up, it's totally watertight, and carry it. We haven't done that yet, but I do love that feature because we do camp, and so sometimes we just do need to carry a little bit of water to put out the fire or whatever, and we didn't bring a bucket. So in a pinch, I'm glad that I can use something like this. I also love it because I take it to swimming lessons. I don't always remember to pack an extra dry bag, and so oftentimes I'm throwing like towels and swimsuits and like goggles and other gear for my kids into the bag to tote it home, and then the bag's wet and I have to like go about drying that and drying all the pockets. And so I really love that this can just take all the wet stuff, have it go in there. I can take the wet stuff out at home and just sit it down and let it dry like this. I also love that it is a rigid body bag. I don't like tote bags that sort of flop all over the place and you're digging around inside to see what you've got. This is easy because it just stands. It just stands on its own perfectly, and I can just look inside and see what I've got or what I need. So all those reasons, I really love it, but there are other features that I haven't even gotten to. So I'll still continue with the outside. This side has a YETI symbol, but it is covered in Velcro, and the YETI is actually reflective. So if you're walking at night, that is something that will reflect for you. But it's Velcro, so you could cover this up with a favorite patch, or if there's a holiday you're celebrating or something like Canada Day, you could put a Canadian flag patch or something. So you can customize it and make it your own. I also love these Molly latches. So I have my keys on a carabiner, and so I can actually slip it in here if I don't want to put the keys right inside. You can also get bags that you can attach to this in like 1 liter and ½ liter sizes, so you can put like a first aid kit on the outside or anything really. Those bags are dry bags as well, so you can really keep a lot of snacks and things like that in addition to what is able to go inside. I've seen people hang different things to decorate it, but this would be really great for like emergency supplies, like hanging like an EpiPen or something like that from these loops that needs to be accessed really quickly and easily. On the other side is just the YETI symbol, and it is it's just like a laser cut similar material to this. And then you have more attachment points on this side as well. I love the handle. It's not like a rolled canvas handle, but it's like a good solid like webbing material, and then they've doubled it up so it really feels sturdy and can hold a lot. And then I really like that it fits over my shoulder nicely and doesn't seem to slip off, and it feels like it's a good height or a good length strap, which is really nice as well, because sometimes you get those bags and they hang so far down you kind of feel like you're struggling with the bag, but it's nice that it fits right under my arm and I'm not struggling with it. And then if you're just needing to grab the bag out of the trunk, or you want to carry it, you can just grab it by the handle, the short handle. So I really like that they thought of those extra details. and considered all the ways that someone might be using this bag and made it sure that it was convenient and really easy to use. Okay, so going onto the inside, there's like a giant main pocket, which is great because you can put your own organization systems into this bag. You can put things in like packing cubes and then just see where everything is once you're using the bag. But the two features that are great are these side pop out pockets. These are great. They're made from the same waterproof material, but these keep those things that you need to keep upright right there, which is a water bottle. This is the 1.64 liter YETI water bottle, and it fits right down inside there really nicely. And this is the 1 liter YETI as well, and it also sits really nicely in these pockets. So you're able to put water bottles on the sides, and when those pockets aren't in use, they just disappear into the side of the bag, which is amazing. So you can really organize the bag how you wish to have it. Okay, so in addition to those two pop-out pockets there are two zipper pockets, and these have really high quality zippers and pull straps on them. Like, they feel sturdy, they're not going to break, they are well made. And you have one on either side, so you can put your phone or any like essentials and things that you don't want to get wet, even like diapers or things like that, and then zip that away. And then finally on the inside, it does have this loop and clip system to keep the bag closed. I've never used it because usually when I'm carrying a tote like this, I carry it because I'm trying to max out the use of it. But if you had something inside that was, you know, maybe a lot of small items and you just wanted to prevent things tipping over and falling out, you might want to use that little clip there to keep everything closed. So that's a review of the YETI Camino 35 tote bag. This is a unique bag. I love it because it just sort of puts a lot of the tote bag qualities that I like from other bags into one bag that is waterproof, can hold water, can take abuse and get wiped off and look just great right after. So that does come in one other size, a smaller size, and that might be great as using for a purse, but I really like just being able to have it as a beach bag and a swimming bag, and it can still do all the things that I needed to do: hold waters, hold snacks, hold towels, and look great afterwards without any problems. So that's my review of the bag, and if you're interested in getting your hands on one, this is one of those YETI products that I actually think are well worth it. If you want to hear my review on my YETI bottles and travel coffee mugs, you can find that down in the description box below. And if you're looking to get yourself one of these YETI Camino bags, I wouldn't hesitate, and I will leave a link for where you can find them online in the description box down below. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you're interested in more real life reviews of products that moms and families use every day. Thanks.